So, just at Zucata Sheep Farm in Hua Hin. Just so cute. So, yeah, take a look what's inside. So I show some of the horses and wildlife, but the reason why I've come here is mostly because they've got really cool displays of trucks like this old Chevrolet. So yeah, they got the sheep. We're all waiting to be fed. Oh, there's the star of the show. Yeah, the key cat. Little Kubota. Good music on the go. Check out the horns. You got some quite cool kit here. It's supposed to be for the animals, but got a couple of these transformers here. Bumblebee and Megatron. International Harvester. Got some more cattle. They got some deer. Hello? I have no idea what they are. But dinner for the chicken is very noisy. There a cab over they've got on display here. There's a Dodge. Shame really, that'd be quite cool to run around and be a good motorbike transporter. It's quite a rare tractor. McCormack International Diesel. Grass tastes better this side of the fence, doesn't it? Quite a bit here. Zucata Swiss Sheep. Goat's trying to go somewhere. Robot house, we're going to take a look in there in a second. Just come over here, it's getting in the shade a bit. Yeah, that's Chevrolet. Lovely. See what's in here, robot house. Still got some of our Halloween stuff up. It's almost Christmas, but that's cool. some really cool artwork in here as well. We got Zucata Sheep. This one's having an attack in the gate, bless it. It is beautiful here. Old wheel loader with natural AC. Not sure what make it is. That's cool. So yeah, probably gonna end this one off here. So it wasn't really a car video, but it's just a careful look around. But beautiful mountain in the background as well. Time to go and get some food, I think, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Because this one is just lots of little clips thrown together. I didn't realise they had giraffes here. So cute. So just as you finish walking around, they've got quite a cool little shop with lots of soft toys. And they got a Herbie. So yeah. So just come out. They've got these two out here as well. Really cool. Ex-US Army, I think.